A warm welcome to Auxilium Caranzale, Goa. Well, Caranzale is surrounded by lush green fields and beautiful beaches. The Salesian sisters made their home here in 1970. The place was donated by Mr. and Mrs. Montero. In the year 1982, the school had its first SSC batch, and from that year, 39 batches of students have walked out from Auxilium Caranzale to become leaders of change for a better world. 2020 has been a significant year for us as we celebrated the golden jubilee of the school. From 1970 to 2022, Auxilium stands as an edifice which has educated, nurtured, helped, and guided thousands of youngsters. Auxilium Caranzale follows the spirit of Don Bosco and Mother Mazzarello, bringing hope and new life to the young. We are proud to see our tiny tots of yesteryears flowered into responsible citizens of today. Seeing the raw products of the KG reach standard 10 and then burst forth as growing individuals is itself a revelation of how Auxilium Caranzale has and continues to create ripples in society. Let us see it for ourselves.
Hello everyone, I'm Junior Under Officer Gitashri Shamsode, past pupil of Auxilium Convent High School, Caranzale, Goa, from the batch 2015-16. I am a college student currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science degree in Botany from the MP College of Arts and Science, Miramar, Goa. Also, I am an NCC cadet, Army Wing, from 1 Goa Girls Battalion under the Directorate, Karnataka and Goa. Studying in Auxilium from 1st to 10th standard under the warmth of the wings of Salesian sisters was a great pleasure. Teachers and sisters in our school not only taught us school lessons, but they treated us like their own children. It was a place where I grew mentally, physically, and intellectually. They inculcated in me creativity, kindness, love, courage, patience, humanity, self-confidence, leadership, intelligence, and much more. Thank you for making me a part of Salesian family, for giving me endless opportunities to polish my talents and creativity, for making me into the beautiful human that I am today. Thanks a ton for supporting me in my bad days and helping me become this courageous, strong, and confident girl that I am today. Proud to be an Auxilian. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, I am Espolina Silvera, past pupil of Auxilium School, Caranzale, Goa. I studied from kindergarten up to 10th standard and belong to the batch of 2000. I am really fortunate to be connected with Salesian sisters and proud to be part of Salesian family. Currently, I stay in Bangalore. After working for good 7 years in travel industry, since 2013, I switched to homemaker. Along with handling duties as a homemaker, I am also a passionate home chef and simultaneously run a food website and a recipe creator at Cucina and Espolina. Lucky and fortunate to be a student of Auxilium Convent because the company of our lovely sisters help us grow into good and humble person. The sisters and teachers always helped us spiritually to become strong, which is really helping us in our current life. On this special occasion, I congratulate all our Salesian sisters and teachers and whoever connected with the Salesian family. A hearty congratulations for completing a milestone in their journey of touching many hearts spiritually and helping us grow in the love of Jesus Christ and Mother Mary. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Sister Maria Antoneta Montero, a past pupil of Auxilium Caronsalem, Goa, passed out in the year 1984. Thinking of my school Auxilium brings back many happy memories. I am grateful to all my teachers, beginning from the nursery teachers who held my hands and taught me how to read and write. And to my primary teachers, I am grateful for giving me the values which I treasure them till this day. In the school then, as a student, I was a silent admirer of all my sisters. Today, I share my life with the Salesian sisters, and I must say that I am very happy to be one like them. Thank you, dear sisters, for accepting me, for molding me to the person that I am today. Last time, when I visited my school in Caronsalem, I was very happy to meet one of my teacher and two of my non-teaching staff still working in Auxilium Caronsalem. And the biggest joy that I got was that they recognized me. Before I conclude, I would like to tell you where I am working at this moment. I am currently in South Sudan with my children teaching in the kindergarten school. And here I remember my school days. And I remember the many good hymns and songs that I have learned. But one song that I treasure very much is my school anthem. It's Auxilium, our Auxilium, school of happiness so true. It's Auxilium, our Auxilium, it's the place for me and you. Yes, my friends, Auxilium is a place for all of us, for you and for me. God bless us. God bless Auxilium. Long live Auxilium. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Lorna Da Silva, one of the Sweet 16 as we were called then, from the first batch which passed out in the year 1982, a team of 12 girls and 4 boys of Auxilium Convent, Caronsalem, Goa. After graduating myself in science, a B.Ed degree and Masters in Arts, I followed my passion, that is teaching and singing, which is my hobby. As a teacher and head, I have taught in several high schools and presently heading St. Lawrence High School, Agasain, Tiswadi, Goa, with an additional charge at St. Andrews High School, Goa, Velia. At the onset, I thank the Almighty for making me a part of the Salesian family and express my sincere gratitude to the sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff and my colleagues. For me, being a past pupil of Auxilium Convent is a matter of pride, a feeling that nothing else can compensate and which elevates me wherever I'm planted. School days were golden in my life and its memories sweet, which cannot be erased. I spent most of my life as a child in school. Needless to say, it was my second home. I cherished my birth in the Silver family, but I sprouted, gained roots and was molded into a beautiful being in my school, a convent which will be a lasting memory. Least can I forget my dearest mother's words who said to me, "Why do you even come home? Why don't you stay with the nuns?" I leave you to guess the reason. The reasons are countless, but the greatest virtue practiced and taught in my school was to love and to love in abundance, accompanied with respect for self and others. I cannot forget but remember my dearest friend, late Sister Rose, with whom I learned my first song. Good morning, and how do you do? I'm very well, thank you, and how are you? Late Sister Gina, ever so gentle, calm and loving. These two were the pioneers who laid the foundation of Auxilium Convent, Caronsalem, Goa. Others who touched my heart down the line were late Sister Dominica, who taught me to sing and compare. Sister Rosie, sister who wore pointed heels and jumped at every little achievement of ours. Ever so jovial, sister with a third eye, Sister Sushila, who knew the background of every child and catered to their needs in silence. She motivated me to do masters at that age. Sister Bertha, Sister Lydia, Sister Celsa, ever so sweet to all. Not forgetting my teachers, Teacher Eunice, Teacher Kamath, Teacher Maria, and my needlework teacher, Teacher Gina, and others who complemented the Salesian family. God bless them all. My school stood tall, not only in providing us literacy, but in educating us with values for life. Values such as discipline, cleanliness, forgiveness, empathy, responsibility, integrity, punctuality, and etiquettes. Our evening oratories were not only a treat for fun and play, but a reason to learn to pray the rosary, imbibe the love of Mother Mary, through Jesus, and practice the readings for the Eucharistic Mass. The Salesian nuns took us to the less fortunate in a remote village called Odshell, where we could practice virtues firsthand like caring, empathy, and sharing. Our mornings were made beautiful and peaceful as we entered the convent and kissed the statue of Infant Jesus in the chapel. My love for Infant Jesus was so immense that I carry a picture of him in my bag till date. Being a student of the first batch, I was not fortunate to have all the modern facilities as of today. But my sisters never left us helpless. They taught us to be positive and made everything possible for us in their own way, with love, concern, and understanding. Sometimes with biscuits, milk powder, and sometimes with stories and gardening. I can go talking a lifetime, but to conclude my thought, being a Salesian product is something unique and extraordinary, which keeps a mark on your soul never to erase. God bless all the Salesians, past and present, in abundance for their human service in molding the lives of the young. My gratitude to Sister Celine for the good work with the past pupils. Love you all in plenty. Thank you. Deus Borenco. Muito obrigado.
Hi everyone, my name is Harshad Murgaonkar. I passed out from Auxilium Karanzalem in 2012, following which I pursued my MBBS degree from Goa Medical College, Bambule. Auxilium Karanzalem have been one of the major factors for my overall growth and development. I am grateful to the sisters, teachers and staff of Auxilium Karanzalem for constantly guiding, nurturing and having positive impact on so many of us. Trust me, the amount of detailed attention you get in school towards your growth and education, you will not find it anywhere else. I have had the best from my school days. It is this place where I started to progress towards my goal, for which I cannot thank enough the sisters, teachers and staff of Auxilium Karanzalem. Thank you and stay safe.
Some people come into our life for a reason. Some come for a season, but some come in a life for a lifetime. I can say that Auxilium has come into my life for a lifetime. Hi friends, I am Sandra D'Souza, a proud past pupil of Auxilium High School, Karanzalem. I belong to the third batch of the school. The memories that I have of my school are deeply etched in my heart. I will never forget those beautiful days. I am presently a teacher here in my own school. From my childhood till date, I am thankful to my alma mater for all that she has been and done for me through the sisters and the teachers. My home was Auxilium. The refectory, chapel, kitchen, garden were places familiar to me. The oratory and summer clubs were events that brought us closer to each other and also deepened our faith. The sisters were firm but loving and very approachable. There was such a homely atmosphere in school. The sisters and teachers were not just our friends, but they were like our own parents. We could just be ourselves in their presence. The atmosphere that reigned was only that of love, care and concern. We could share even our deepest feelings with them with no fear of being misunderstood or judged. Love and acceptance were the benchmarks of Auxilium. Don Bosco's and Mother Mazzarello's preventive system was lived to the dot. I am truly blessed 100-fold. I owe a lot to Auxilium, especially to the sisters who have touched my life and made me what I am today. I am thankful to God and our Blessed Mother for blessing me with such a beautiful gift.
Hello everyone, I'm Bernadette from 1987 batch. I'm proud to be ex-student of Auxilium Salesian Convent High School, Karansalam, Goa. I'm really happy to be able to share a bit of my school experience with you all. Auxilium not only catered to my academic development but also to my non-academic overall development through inter-class competitions in elocution, quizzing, sports, cooking, and mind you, even carol singing during Christmas time. The memory is still vivid. How eagerly we will wait for Teachers' Day and other festivals. This helped us to bring out our talents while decorating and organizing class programs. Similarly, the NSS program helped me develop much necessary life skills and taught me discipline. The moral values inculcated in me, especially during the morning assemblies, laid the foundation to my career in social service. I worked for an NGO Positive People based in Goa, catering to the needs of affected and infected HIV positive people. I've done my BA too and taught students for a short while. Now I am a homemaker. As you know, it is a 24-hour job, but I do make time to reach out to my neighbors, the parish, and I also tutor weak students. I also make it a point to teach my daughter the values learned in Auxilium. She always has a good time listening to stories of my fond memories of the school. I have been able to achieve all these things thanks to the guidance of Auxilium during my formative years. It's Auxilium, our Auxilium, school of happiness so true. It's Auxilium, our Auxilium is the place for me and you. Thank you.
I, Mr. Bernard Sequeira, Assistant Teacher of Government High School, Savivere, Ponda, Goa, take this opportunity to thank my alma mater, Auxilium High School, Karansalam. I am an alumni of Auxilium High School from the batch of 1991. They say gratitude is one of the greatest virtues, and with grateful heart, I take this opportunity not only to thank my school, Auxilium, but also the sisters who have inculcated in me values, academics, discipline, and much more. I take this opportunity as a student of this great alma mater to thank the sisters then, Sister Audrey, Sister Flavia, Sister Sushila, Sister Inez, Sister Salsa, and many more. If not because of teachers from this school, I wouldn't be what I am.
Hello friends, it's me Sharona Rodriguez. I belong to the 1992 batch. When I think of Auxilium, I think of my home, my second home. I say this for various reasons. My house is just close by to the convent, so I frequented the school very often. Not only me, but my three sisters too. We all studied in Auxilium. In those days, we didn't have much, but we had everything we needed: good education, kind teachers, motherly sisters, and very understanding friends. I remember with much gratitude how the sisters and teachers loved us just as we, without any distinction. There was no partiality, no difference. All of us were treated with love and respect. Now I am married and settled with 3 children, but those sweet memories from school still bring tears in my eyes. The sisters followed us even after we left school. The values that I learnt in school have truly become an inseparable part of my life. In my own way, I have instilled these values in my children. We also had such a close bond with our classmates. We were truly a family. Words are not enough to express what the heart has experienced. I am indeed grateful. Truly, Auxilium has created ripples. You will be delighted to know that my own niece Janice D'Souza has joined the Salesian Sisters and is presently in Bangalore as a postulant. As I journey through life, I see Mother Mary guiding me and my loved ones. A big thanks to Auxilium.
I am Andrea Anta, alumna of Auxilium High School, Karanzalam. I passed out in the year 2015 and had the privilege to be the head girl that very year. Currently, I am pursuing my Masters in English Literature. As I think about school in retrospect, fond memories come rushing to me of morning assemblies, of talks, of teachers, sisters. Having been through different academic institutions, I feel privileged to be a part of Auxilium, particularly because of the holistic growth of students which is focused upon there. Education is equally met with inculcating virtues and values which I attest have shaped me to bear the character and morals I have today. Something I found very unique at Auxilium is the efforts put in to ensure no student is left out. Auxilium will always be a part of me for being so different from other institutions. We as students could share about our problems with teachers and sisters who are very empathetic. I remember them visiting families of students who lost a family member and inquiring if someone is financially unstable. Personally, it has taught me importance of honesty, righteousness, and especially love for neighbor. Auxilium inculcated virtue and discipline in me which has shaped me over the years. The morning assemblies and prayers served as a foundation to grow spiritually, in which I continue to grow today. Auxilium will always be home, will always be a place to go back to. I use this platform to thank all my teachers and sisters for being an inspiration in my life.